Hi, this is Leanne from Global Media Networks with the business news for today. Senior banker C. Samar Singha has been appointed the CEO of People's Merchants PLC with effect from the 1st of May 2012. He takes over at People's Merchant after a long stint spanning 37 years at the Bank of Ceylon. Macwoods Energy Limited IPO opens today. The company is offering 25 million shares at 14 rupees. The company is a subsidiary of Macwoods Group of Companies. Macwoods Energy Limited's diversification plans include solar energy and wind power solutions. Lanka Ceylon transferred its 19.73% stake in Beirut Resorts Limited to its subsidiary company Colombo Fort Hotels Limited. The consideration of 473.4 million rupees was settled by the allotment of shares in Colombo Fort Hotels Limited. The transfer was subsequent to a board decision to consolidate all hotel companies within the group under Colombo Fort Hotels Limited. Axis Engineering continued to purchase shares of Satosa Motors PLC, and after yesterday's purchase of 4,424 shares, Axis Engineering holds 76.9% of the issued capital of Satosa Motors PLC. Central Bank of Sri Lanka said foreign currency inflows have increased substantially in recent weeks, reassuring that stability was on course. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka stated that there were significant inflows to the Colombo Stock Exchange, with the net inflows to the Colombo Stock Exchange so far in 2012 amounting to $164 million. Secondly, inflows in respect of investments in several commercial banks amounting to about $127 million during this week. Thirdly, investments in Sri Lanka development bonds were made to the value of $87 million, comfortably exceeding the $45 million that was maturing and was on offer for reinvestment. Fourthly, net investments of $385 million in treasury bills and bonds were made by foreign investors so far in 2012. With that, I round up the business news for today, and we now move on to the market summary.
Hi, this is Natasha Singha from Asia Securities with the market summary for the day. The BOSE extended its losing streak as activity levels showed a marked decline for the second consecutive day, mainly owing to uncertainty on political and economic factors prevailing in the country. The benchmark all-share price index shed 14 points to close at 5,349 points, while the more liquid Lanka price index lost 36 points to close at 4,780 points. The total turnover for the day was 354 million rupees. No crossings were witnessed during the day, confirming the dull sentiments which prevailed at the BOSE today. However, substantial interest was seen on heavyweight John Keel's Holdings and Commercial Bank, which emerged as the top contributors for the day. Market heavyweight John Keel's Holdings continued to witness selling pressure throughout the day and closed at 191 rupees 10 cents, shedding 1.5% for the day. Further, banking sector caps such as Ceylon Bank non-voting, Sampath Bank and NDB also dragged interest during the day as attractive volumes changed hands. Conglomerate Hemas Holdings also witnessed renewed interest during the day and saw small blocks changing hands at 26 rupees. Cautious institutional accumulation was seen on caps Brown and Company and LOLC as small parcels changed hands. Retail activity showed marked decline as most retail favorite counters such as Environmental Resources, Heladiva Foods and Blue Diamonds voting continued to witness heavy selling pressure. In addition, volumes were topped by Nations Lanka Warrants, Brown's Investments and Amana Takaful, while Ceylon Merchant Bank non-voting emerged as the top gainer. Thank you.